Have you ever wondered if there's a connection between your diet, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease? Such an intriguing question, isn't it? Today we're diving into a fascinating new study that explores the molecular connections between type 2 diabetes and Alzheimer's. This research brings to light how what we eat can potentially impact our brain's health, supporting the idea of Alzheimer's as type 3 diabetes. So, if you're curious about the interplay between these three crucial elements, you're in the right place. A groundbreaking study led by Narendra Kumar, an associate professor at Texas A&M University, shed some light on this intriguing question. The research explores the molecular connections between type 2 diabetes and Alzheimer's, supporting the concept of Alzheimer's as type 3 diabetes. The study found that a high-fat diet suppresses a crucial protein in the gut, known as JAK3, which initiates a cascade of inflammation leading to Alzheimer's-like changes in the brain of mice. This crucial protein is like the first domino in a line. When knocked down by a high-fat diet, it sets off a chain reaction of inflammation. This inflammation starts in the gut, moves through the liver, and reaches the brain. The groundbreaking research reveals that when mice lack this JAK3 protein, they show signs of Alzheimer's-like symptoms in their brain. These symptoms include an overexpression of mouse beta amyloid and hyperphosphorylated tau, as well as evidence of cognitive impairment. This cascade of inflammation is not just limited to the brain. The liver, which Kumar describes as the metabolizer for everything we eat, plays a significant role in this process. It's through the liver that the path from gut to brain is established, and the impact of food on the changes in the expression of JAK3 leads to a leaky gut. This, in turn, results in low-grade chronic inflammation, diabetes, and a decrease in the brain's ability to clear its toxic substances. Kumar's lab has been studying the functions of JAK3 for a long time. They now understand that the suppression of JAK3 due to a high-fat diet is a potential path from diet through gut inflammation to brain health. This study underscores the importance of managing diabetes or avoiding it through diet to reduce Alzheimer's risk. The findings suggest that it should be possible to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's by keeping diabetes well controlled or avoiding it in the first place. In other words, the food we eat could be a key player in the fight against Alzheimer's and diabetes, two of the fastest growing health concerns worldwide. But let's delve deeper into the molecular connection that this study uncovers. We're all familiar with the term, "you are what you eat." But have you ever considered how deeply this statement resonates within our bodies? It seems that our dietary choices may not only affect our waistline, but could also have profound implications on how our brains function. This study explores that very idea, focusing on a crucial protein called JAK3 in our gut. JAK3 plays a pivotal role in maintaining our health, but it appears that a high-fat diet could suppress its expression. When we consume high-fat food, the protein levels of JAK3 in our gut dwindle, and that's when things start to get interesting. And by interesting, I mean concerning. The suppression of JAK3 initiates a domino effect, a cascade of inflammation that begins in your gut, travels through your liver, and ultimately reaches your brain. Imagine a small spark, ignited in the gut, that gradually turns into a wildfire, engulfing the entire body and causing damage along the way. The liver, being the grand central station for everything we eat, plays a crucial role in this process. It's the bridge between the gut and the brain, the passage through which the inflammatory response travels. Now, let's talk about the brain, the end of this inflammatory journey. The brain, already dealing with the daily task of managing our thoughts, emotions, and actions, is suddenly flooded with inflammation. This inflammation leads to Alzheimer's-like symptoms in the brain, including an overproduction of beta amyloid and hyperphosphorylated tau, two key markers of Alzheimer's disease. But it's not all doom and gloom. The findings of this study illuminate a potential path from diet through gut inflammation to brain health. It's a path that we can potentially control and modify, a path that could lead us to a healthier brain and a healthier life. This cascade of inflammation showcases a potential path from diet through gut inflammation to brain health. Now, what does this mean for you and your health? It's a question that may have crossed your mind as we navigated the complex landscape of molecular biology and its impact on our well-being? The answer lies in the preventative potential of this groundbreaking research. Let's take a moment to digest the fact that controlling or avoiding diabetes through diet and blood sugar management could significantly reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. This isn't just a vague possibility, it's a tangible strategy that could potentially transform the lives of millions. Imagine this. You're at the steering wheel of your health journey, navigating through the landscape of your daily dietary choices. Every turn you make, every bite you take has the potential to impact the course of your health. By choosing foods that promote the expression of crucial gut proteins like JAK3, you're not just fueling your body, you're also safeguarding your brain. What if we told you that the humble act of managing your blood sugar levels could act as a shield that protects you from the terrifying specter of Alzheimer's disease? Sounds surreal, doesn't it? But that's precisely what this research suggests. By keeping diabetes well controlled or avoiding it in the first place, the risk of Alzheimer's could be significantly reduced. It's time we reframe our understanding of diet. It's not just about weight management or looking good in a swimsuit. It's about holistic health. It's about protecting our brain, our memory, our very essence from the debilitating clutches of Alzheimer's disease. You see, a diet isn't just a list of what you can or cannot eat. It's a tool that can be wielded to combat some of the most pressing health issues of our time. It's a weapon in our arsenal that can help us fight off the onset of diseases like diabetes and Alzheimer's. Indeed, lifestyle changes to prevent diabetes may also mitigate Alzheimer's risk, highlighting the critical intersection of diet, metabolic health, and neurodegeneration. This is the power of preventative potential. This is the power of choice. The implications of these findings go far beyond individual health. As we delve into the broader implications, we can't ignore the vast number of US adults grappling with prediabetes, a staggering statistic that underscores the urgency of this issue. Imagine the potential of lifestyle changes to not only prevent diabetes, but also Alzheimer's. The study presents a compelling case for a critical intersection: diet, metabolic health, and neurodegeneration. With the suppression of a gut protein, JAK3, due to a high-fat diet leading to Alzheimer's-like symptoms, we see the profound ripple effect of dietary choices on our overall health. The implications are colossal. This research taps into a societal health crisis, with diabetes and Alzheimer's being two of the fastest-growing health concerns worldwide. The study's findings point towards the possibility of a preventative approach, a shift in focus from treatment to prevention, from managing symptoms to mitigating risks. The role of diet in influencing the development of diabetes and its severity is well established. But this study takes it a step further, uncovering the path from diet through gut inflammation to brain health. By tracing how a particular protein in the gut influences the brain, the researchers have opened a new avenue in our understanding of neurodegenerative diseases. The findings also shed light on the concept of Alzheimer's as type 3 diabetes, reinforcing the molecular connections between type 2 diabetes and Alzheimer's. The intertwined nature of these diseases provides a clear indication of the importance of holistic health approaches. This research brings hope and a sense of empowerment. By controlling or avoiding diabetes through diet and blood sugar management, we can significantly reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's. That's a powerful statement, one that emphasizes the proactive role we can play in safeguarding our health. In conclusion, the implications of this study are far-reaching. It underscores the need for a preventive approach, highlights the importance of dietary choices, and reinforces the interconnectedness of our body's systems. With diabetes and Alzheimer's being two of the fastest-growing health concerns worldwide, the findings of this study are of paramount importance. So what's the takeaway from all this? This groundbreaking study underscores the intricate and profound connection between our diet, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. It reveals how a high-fat diet can suppress a key gut protein, JAK3, initiating a cascade of inflammation that leads to Alzheimer's-like symptoms in the brain. What's more, this research fortifies the concept of Alzheimer's as type 3 diabetes, heightening the importance of managing or avoiding diabetes through diet to reduce the risk of this debilitating neurodegenerative disease. Beyond the scientific implications, this study also has profound societal impact. With an alarming number of adults in the US already having prediabetes, lifestyle modifications to prevent diabetes could also help mitigate the risk of Alzheimer's. It's a compelling illustration of how our diet and metabolic health are intertwined with neurodegeneration. This research, led by Associate Professor Narendra Kumar at Texas A&M University, adds to a growing body of work that investigates the links between type 2 diabetes and Alzheimer's. It suggests that by controlling diabetes, or preventing it altogether, we can significantly reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. In essence, this study shines a light on a potential path from diet through gut inflammation to brain health. It offers hope for preventative strategies and emphasizes the critical role that diet plays in our overall health. Remember, your diet has the power to influence not just your physical health, but your cognitive health as well. So make the right choices for a healthier future.